Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to improve eBay listings for more views. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to Selling section at the bottom side of your screen. Open all your listings and go to Active section. So here you will see all your current listings. So if you want to get more views, start by editing your titles for your items, for your listings. So tap on a listing, hit edit, and make sure the title is clear. It includes important keywords and your title is easy to read. So you need to think like a buyer. Include brand names, model numbers, and some other important features. Next, work on your photos. So tap on the image section and upload high quality images. They should be not blurry. And those images should show your item from multiple angles. So clear photos can massively increase click-through rates. Additionally, update your item descriptions. So write detailed, honest description about your products. If you want your description to be more appealing, you need to break up the text with short paragraphs or some bullet points to make it easier to read. Set competitive prices to your listings. So check what similar items are selling for by searching eBay. Then adjust your price to be attractive without cutting too much into your profit. And offer free shipping, of course, if you can. So tap on the shipping options while editing your listing and select free shipping option. Buyers love free shipping, and eBay often promotes these listings higher in search results. What else? Use items specifics. Fill in all the recommended fields like size of your product, color, brand, material. The more details you provide, the easier it is for buyers to find your listing through filters. And enable best offer to invite more potential buyers. So tap on your pricing section and press allow offers. Also, you can promote your listings to give your item a visibility boost in search results. And also stay active on eBay, so update or relist some items regularly because eBay push their listings higher for sellers who are active on the application. So if you follow these steps, you will start seeing more views on your eBay listings. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.